I think limits are the best way to overcome a creative block. If you're stuck in a song, you don't know what to do next, just limit yourself in something. Like one thing I like to do all the time when I'm making music is just close my eyes, because you're always staring at your DAW. Like for me, it's Ableton, right? It looks like an Excel worksheet. That's not inspirational to look at. I don't have a second screen where I can pull up a video, right? So I'm looking at this grayscale Excel sheet looking thing where sounds are through bars. It's just really uninspiring to me. So what I like to do is just close my eyes and listen to what comes next. Because I listen to so much music, I'm still very bad at predicting what comes next. And if I listen to a song for the first time, I'm not trying to take in the song. I'm trying to think about where the song will go. As a result, I get very creative. So I'm pleasantly surprised when I expect something to change in a chord progression in this way, but it doesn't. So when I have an idea that I'm stuck on, I just close my eyes, try to think of the atmosphere it's in. What's it missing? Where should it go? It's like taking a journey. You are entirely up to yourself to decide where you want to walk to. I feel it's the same way with producing. Like you're only blocked because you're not imagining enough, or you're not having enough limits on yourself.
What's up, DAW Nation? Hope you enjoyed this quick tip video that we took from our MYRNE episode of Behind the DAW, which, by the way, if you want to watch the entire episode, up here in the top right corner, right up here, there's going to be a card showing up where you can click on that card and it will take you to the full episode of Behind the DAW with MYRNE. As well as there is going to be a link down in the description. You can go ahead and click on that link. It will take you to the full episode of Behind the DAW with MYRNE as well. Also, hit the little thumb button below. Not too hard, just hard enough, you know what I mean? And leave a little comment right below that. We'd love to know what your thoughts are on this quick tip video. If it really helped you, let us know. If you want us to change something, let us know. We would love to hear from you. So with that being said, DAW Nation, make sure to check back here constantly, all right? Every couple of days, every day, whatever works for you, because we're constantly putting out more and more content that we know is going to help you on your music production journey. Again, DAW Nation, make sure to like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell. And with all that out of the way, we'll see you on our next quick tip video.